saw that most of the guys have asked a lot of questions, cleared their doubts, and I am sure that now we can read the balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flow analysis of your suppliers, and we can make the right decision for the organization. And that is also personally also can help this session where you are doing some savings or investment, or maybe buying some shares or doing investment into any companies.
Yes, yes.
Because you have gone into very details of the suppliers' statements. So it is I would say, if we get the right supplier on board who is having the financial strength, because we have seen direct correlation between financial strength and the quality as well. If supplier financials are deteriorating, then he started corner cutting in the quality as well. Okay.
Yes.
So hope session is very good. And after the session, I think supplier is going, Gajanan is going to roll out the assessment of 3 days session, which you have to fill the assessment. So we'll come to know how much you can gain the knowledge in 3 days. What is your compliance? What is your level of understanding of this program? And after this session also, you are feel free to ask any questions. We can pass on those doubts to the Pramod sir, and hope he will reply those doubts.
Sure, absolutely, absolutely, Neeraj.
Hand raised with Gaurav Sharma, you want to say something?
Sir, I wanted to ask a question regarding GST. So I wanted to know that in case of some supplementary invoices of a year or 2 years back, for example, we are in 2021, and if the goods have been